We think of heroin as a dangerous street drug, but in the 1890s, it was a respectable medicine. The Bayer Company, who makes aspirin, sold heroin in bottles. They marketed it as a non-addictive substitute for morphine. They even prescribed it to children for coughs and colds. Doctors thought it was a miracle cure for respiratory issues. It took years for them to realize it was highly addictive. It was finally banned in 1924. It is a terrifying reminder that safe science changes over time. Follow quick knowledge for medical shocks.